Hi everyone, I would love to share my journey. I'm learning right now a new programming language, which is Go language, and I'm using it for my current portfolio project, which is kind of YouTube alternative. It's gonna be only side project, and basically you can upload high quality videos and you can stream it. So that's it. Yes, and in general, how I approach a new thing, yeah, because right now as well, I'm just learning how to deploy to GSP, which is equivalent of AWS. And I believe it's going to be kind of helpful to a lot of people, especially for me, it will be helpful. So the only way to learn something is actually by doing it, not really searching, because I've been not learning, listening a lot about Go recently, and not by doing that. So it's kind of, I just relearned it 2 or 3 times, I guess, because I kind of forgot it, If you don't use it, you forget it. That's how it is. And yes, let's discuss about it. So let me make you quick walkthrough what I'm building. I'm just showing right now. I'm not actually right now showing, but you just see the video, yeah, and the screen. So basically, you have to log into to enable to upload it. It's right now on localhost, and after logged in, you can go to drop down and click on upload, or you can just click one of the video blocks cards. I mean, I don't have any thumbnail. I don't want to do that. I could have done that, but it's okay. I don't want to do that. I don't know. I just want to upload it, no thumbnails. So, but you can click it and watch it the video, or you can upload it. How you can upload it? You can go to upload page, and if you logged in, yeah, and you can just upload it. That's all. And if it's done, it's gonna go to the video, and you're gonna see it. That's all. And you can delete as well. Yeah. If you look into, you can go to library and you can delete any videos, not even yours. Yeah, basically it would better be not only yours, but that's okay. So as I mentioned, I've been researching a lot about Go and GSP, but never tried to use it. I did actually, but I forgot how to use it after a while. If you don't do it anymore, yeah. So yeah, and I just kind of researched I don't know, it's a map, road maps of tech stack, etc., or tech concepts. It's called roadmatch.ch, I guess, and very useful, to be honest. In general, I sometimes visit, not all the time, but sometimes visit and see something I don't know, or learn something new, and maybe you can recommend something new. And of course, actually not old, new friend we got right now, ChatGPT, which is very useful. It had been very useful, or AI in general. AI tools very useful during the learning process. Get as soon as possible on your way to building stuff, yeah, which is very amazing for me. I believe I'm never gonna be a great developer, which very understand everything what's happening behind it, everything, a lot of things behind the scene, but I will be, I don't know how to use it, and if I don't know, I'm gonna ask assistant to do how to do that. That's all, and move on. That's all. That's what I'm gonna do that. And I don't. Maybe I will ask why it's happening. Sure, but of course I'm gonna ask why it's happening if it's very relevant to me. For example, uploading video, I'm asking, hey, how can I upload it? I have to work with SDK, and it's not always helpful because I'm gonna still have to deal with that because I have to upload to Dockerize and upload to Cloud Run, which is one of the services from GSP, and see how it's gonna go. So yeah, I'm just believe it's not just in general. I'm just talking about that. I just was thinking about that is the right way I want to share I'm learning it. Yes, I guess it's fine, but as well I would share that the only way to enable to grow in that language is actually by doing that. If you do that, you can understand more and see the syntax more, and you get kind of learning muscles, or muscles learning. I don't know how to call that, but something like that. It's gonna kind of get stick to it, and you will get better at it eventually, I guess. I hope. But I just wonder right now, after this project, I'm not gonna use it though anytime. So maybe I'm gonna use it. This project I'm gonna do that, but it's not soon. So yeah, because right now the low experience of JavaScript, for example, full stack application which only you need Node.js with JavaScript. That's all you need. That's amazing, isn't it? That's great. So yeah, that's what very excites me about it. And I would say a couple words about learning new stuff and new programming language. It's amazing. Always try. We have time to do something, to learn something new. Because, for example, Twitter API, it was written in Python, well documented in Python, just internally documented Python, and no alternative other language. Maybe a bit written in JavaScript, but you cannot find anything about it, which was bad, I would say. But that's how it is, and a lot of people, prefer one language over other, and you cannot find a lot of information about that, and you have to, maybe I still have to use Python, let's say, and not like build the whole entire application, but one webhook with Python and to upload to Cloud Function, or I don't know what's called else, like whatever, which is gonna be work. Yeah. But yeah, that's how it is, I guess. And that's how we're gonna learn new language. And okay, I learned it, I did it, and I know that. Let's move on. That's all. And trying to do everything in one language, for example, JavaScript, not ideal, I would say. Of course, it will be great to maybe simpler, but it's not Swedish knife or Switzerland knife or whatever knife. I don't know the name of it, but there's better languages, more performant languages, and trying to for example, build microservices. You can build that with Go, or you can build it with Node.js, but I don't think some people do that actually. And yeah, that's how I would love to learn and try to do something new. And to be honest, it's hard actually. It's a bit stressful, but that's okay. You have a lot of assistants who are gonna help you out, and just keep doing it because it's pretty cool. It's like speaking another language. If you do speak, that feels very different, doesn't it? I guess that's kind of wraps up my video, and if you have any question or comment, just write down, and see you in the next video, I guess. Bye!